There's only one problem with this bread. Only one problem. We are going flat today. This is the same dough from dish 1 and 2. Not the exact same dough, but the same recipe. It's been fermented, cold fermented for 2 days in the fridge. We are going to use a frying pan to make flatbread. Traditional Syrian Lebanese flatbread. We'll make it about 6 inch. Don't worry about making a perfect shape. It doesn't have to be. No oven, no fish grill. Just a frying pan. The frying pan has to be screaming hot. We'll preheat it at medium heat. Just throw it in there. We'll let it cook on one side for almost 2 minutes. I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling so you would see. You see this bubble right here? It's a sign. Let's have a quick look. Right, it's ready. I'm gonna leave it for another 5 seconds and then we flip it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Wow. Another 1 minute on this side and then it's ready. Wow, that's nice. See this? You see this? This is flavor. This is flavor. Does it look familiar? Is it what a pizza coming out of brick pizza oven would look like? Well, we don't need the brick oven. All we need is a frying pan. Let's taste it. It's hot, so if you see me sweating, it is hot today. Look at that. Smells good. Let's tear it open and let's try. Wow. Oh wow. Here we go. There's only one problem with this bread. Only one problem. It's so irresistible. And that's it. In under 4 minutes, dish 3 is done. No oven needed, no fish grill, no rolling pin, just a frying pan and a well-prepared dough. That's the secret. A well-prepared dough, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to follow the journey, follow the challenge. See you in the next baking. Bye.